Hello friends, I have an Excel sheets. The columns start from right side to left side. A here, B here, C here, D here. So I want to move these columns to right to left. Okay, I click on File, then click on Options and go to Advanced. Then you can see display options for this Excel sheets, worksheets. Okay, then I can click on untick this one, show sheet right to left. Okay, then click on OK. Now columns from left to right, A, B, C, D, E, F. If you want to move this again to right to left, you can go to Option, Advanced and display options, show sheet right to left. Okay, I think you can use this method. If you have any problems, you can comment below. Thanks for watching my video.